Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So we're back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring Ashimary hair. Big thank you to Ashimary for sponsoring today's video. So as you can see, I have this gorgeous kinky curly unit. This unit is in 20 inches. This is their 360 Invisi strap wig. This wig is pre-plucked, pre-bleached, the lace is pre-cut, and you can wear this completely glueless. This has C curvature on the ears, so it fits real comfortable and snug right behind the ear, and that curvature is what helps it stay in place. So if you're someone that doesn't like to use lace adhesive, you can even use lace tape just on the sides and tack that wig down. And I love that they made that a thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this wig. I just wanted to come show you guys what this looks like talk to y'all, because I'm really feeling this hair. So I showed you a few different ways that you can wear this hair, a few different ways you can style this hair, a few updos, a few flip overs, a little half up, half down, a little bun action. Showed you what it looks like wet, dry, and in this defined state. To say this is my favorite look out of them all. I absolutely love the way this came out. It's very natural, very pretty. But if you want to see how I style this wig and how I got this look, just stay tuned for the rest of the video. I'm showing you what this looks like right out of the pack. Once I put this on, I am going to secure it with the Invisi straps and the comb in the nape area. I'm going to go in with my lace adhesive spray, and I'm going to spray that down. And once that is sprayed down and dried down, I'm going to go ahead and secure the back. So in the back, I do use the Invisi straps, and I use the comb, and I just stick that comb under my wig cap, and then I take those two straps and I tuck that under the wig. I love the way that fits. It just feels so secure. So being that this wig has the ear curvatures, you don't have to use a spray. You can actually use like lace tape, or you can go completely glueless. The C curve just makes it so that the wig sits perfectly behind your ear and snug to your head. So it's really a snug fit. So once I do that, I'm going to pull some hairs down in the nape area. That just makes it look a little bit more natural. You feel like you're not secure enough with it without the baby hairs. Just pulling those hairs out in the nape just give you a little bit more comfort. So once I do that, I'm going to show you a few different styles. I did comb this hair out with my wide tooth comb. Then I started to add water. It is a lot of hair, so you're going to want to work some product in there. Anything that I use will be down in the description box, or it'll pop up here in the video. But I use quite a few products to get the curls to pop with this wig. But I am obsessed with these curls. As you can see, with just the water and the air styler gel, you start to really see the curl pattern for this, and it is a really beautiful, natural, coily look. So I'm going to show you what this looks like up and flipped over in the wet state. I'm also going to show you a half up, half down. My favorite look has to be the very end, where we define the curls and use the diffuser and get that nice afro kinky curly look. But I just wanted to show you that you can achieve so many different looks with this one wig. So no matter how you like to wear your curly hair, this can definitely get you that look. And the fact that you can put this up, because it is a 360 lace, just makes it even better, because if need be, you could throw her up in a bun or a high pony, and you can always pull those hairs out in the back to conceal it. So I'm not going to talk you too much through this video. I mean, it literally just speaks for itself. Ashimary definitely has quite a few different textures in this construction. I'm going to link 2 other videos at the end of this one. I have tried their kinky straight with the Invisi straps, and I have tried their water wave curly with the Invisi straps, and those I linked at the very end of this video. Tell me which style is your favorite down below in the comment section. For me, it's got to be the curls. Like, I love it. So shout out to y'all for watching another video. Shout out to Ashimary, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.